The last lecture. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a teacher named Professor Alexander. Professor Alexander was not just any teacher, he was a beacon of wisdom, compassion, and inspiration for generations of students who passed through the hallowed halls of Oak Ridge High School. As the years wove their tapestry of experiences, Professor Alexander's once vibrant spirit began to wane under the weight of time. His once steady gait now faltered, and his once booming voice softened to a whisper. The ravages of illness had taken their toll, casting a shadow over the beloved educator. News of Professor Alexander's declining health spread like wildfire through the town, igniting a spark of sorrow and concern in the hearts of all who knew him. Students, both past and present, rallied around their mentor, offering words of comfort and gestures of gratitude for the wisdom he had bestowed upon them. Realizing that his days were numbered, Professor Alexander resolved to deliver one final lecture, a testament to a lifetime of learning, love, and laughter. The entire town buzzed with anticipation, for they knew that this lecture would be unlike any other, a poignant farewell from a man whose words had shaped the very fabric of their lives. On the appointed day, the auditorium of Oak Ridge High School overflowed with students, parents, and townsfolk, all eager to glean one last nugget of wisdom from their beloved teacher. With a quiet determination, Professor Alexander ascended the stage, his weathered face illuminated by the soft glow of the stage lights. Clearing his throat, Professor Alexander began to speak, his voice a gentle melody that resonated with the hearts of all who listened. He spoke of life's fleeting nature, of the importance of seizing every moment with grace and gratitude. He shared anecdotes of triumph and tribulation, weaving a tapestry of experiences that spoke to the universal truths of the human condition. As the hours passed, time seemed to stand still, each word uttered by Professor Alexander imbued with a profound sense of purpose and meaning. He spoke of love, the kind that transcends boundaries of time and space, the kind that lingers long after the final curtain falls. With tears glistening in his eyes, Professor Alexander imparted his final piece of wisdom, a simple truth that echoed through the halls of Oak Ridge High School and beyond. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. And with that, Professor Alexander bid farewell to his students, his colleagues, and his town, leaving behind a legacy of love and learning that would endure for generations to come. In the days that followed, the town of Oak Ridge mourned the loss of their beloved teacher, yet they found solace in the memories he had left behind. For in the end, Professor Alexander's final lecture was not simply a farewell, it was a celebration of life, a testament to the power of knowledge, and a reminder that even in the face of mortality, the human spirit endures.